You know what? Today I'm going to show you how I made this pen right here. Alright, so here we are, locked up, and now I just heard it for another month. So fortunately, I have a lot of pen kits to make, and I actually made this blank for this pen. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I put this all together. Now if you want to see how I made this blank, just watch this video right up here, and that'll show you everything you need to know. So in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and take this green blank that you saw me make up, and it has two burl pieces at each end, and I cut between them. We're going to do this Montague pen, which has a center section that's this long, and that's all that it needs. So I decided to cut it this way to get the green between the two burl ends there. So I think that'll give it a nice look. And I will have some wood on both sides. It has an ornate look to it, the pen does. So we'll see how that all comes out. It takes a 3/8 inch drill bit, and that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, so this pen is the Montague pen, and it's a nice one. I think I got it from Penn State. They had a 3-set that was on like a closeout deal, and I bought a couple of the 3 sets. But they do sell the individual pens, but other pen companies sell something that's similar to this. I like this pen because it's a nice heavy weight, but also the pen retracts and extends just by twisting this top piece right here. So I kind of like the fact that it's, you know, it's just not a whole pen that you have to twist. And it's a solid piece in the middle here, single piece, which makes it a little bit easier to turn. You're just turning one piece. Now I like the way they cut this out, so they had the burl on each end and they had the green in between. I think this is a kind of a really attractive pen here. So if you're looking for a nice pen to make, this is definitely a cool pen to have and to use. And if you want to see how that burl or that pen blank is made, again, you can check out the video that's off to the side now that I showed you earlier. But yeah, having a lot of fun making my own pen blanks and putting together pens. So everyone's different and unique. Other than that, hope you liked the video. Please do leave comments down below. I do love answering your comments and listening to you guys and seeing what you have to say. And stay tuned for some more cooped up woodworking, at least for the next month. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this pen right here.